Okay, well, I need help. Furnace stopped working a few days ago. It's an old furnace. It's supposed to be a Bryant 373LAV model. Super old, but it's always worked up until recently. I started having an issue where I'll just show you real quick. So the blower motor turns on. I'm pushing in the switch right now. Blower motor turns on, but I never get power to the inducer motor. So this never starts spinning. Initially, I thought the inducer was bad, or the inducer motor was bad. So I changed out the inducer motor, resealed everything with some RTV. That didn't fix the problem, obviously. So then using the power of ChatGPT, I thought perhaps the control board was bad. So I ended up going and getting a working control board via the internet and changed everything, plugged that in. That is also not working. Okay, so next, and I'm sure I'm doing these out of order, I started looking at other options, trying to figure out exactly what's going on. Check to make sure I have 120 volt coming in from the wall. I do. I have 120 volt, so going from the board to the transformer, I do have 120 volt going, and from the transformer to the board via the two wires here for the 24 volt, I do have 27 volts coming in. However, I don't have 24 volt here at all. I have no 24 volt between COM and the red wire, which my understanding is I'm supposed to. So I started thinking perhaps it was a rollout switch problem. I do have continuity between all my rollouts. So I have continuity between this rollout. I guess I don't know what this rollout's technically called, but I have continuity, and continuity. They all work. This, I am to understand, does not have anything plugged into it as far as a rollout switch. I thought this was my main switch, but I guess, at least according, once again, to the internet, it's not. I don't know where my main switch is. Additionally, this red wire, and as far as I can remember, it always has been plugged into this lower rollout switch, but it's never been plugged in anything. It was just in there and it was laying in here, assuming it was piggybacking or just an extra, I should say. I can't figure it out. I have tried